Hey everyone, and today we're going to make adult bracelets. So you know that I ordered some beads and I have organized them. I'm going to use these beads and some of my old beads to make a new bracelet for adults. Like I always make stretch bracelets with stretch wire and kid beads, but today I'm going to use pearls and black beads and non-stretch wire. I'm going to make a hooks and chain bracelet like I make in a short, but this time I'm going to show you how I make it. So let's get started. So to make this bracelet, I'm using this wire. This is non. Of these, and now I'm going to use a crystal white. Here goes one. Then I'm going to take another small pearl, and then I'm gonna take a black and add a black in it. So I'm just gonna keep repeating. The problem is some of these small ones are connected and I don't want to use the connected ones right now. So here I'll add a pearl, then I'm gonna take a white one, then I'm gonna take a pearl, then I'm gonna add a black one, like this. So now I'm adding on white, and I don't think maybe I should use a pearl, maybe. So here, now I'm done. White, black, and white. Now I'm going to add 3 blacks. Yes, I'm taking out 3 of these, and I'm going to be adding it like 1, 2, and 3. Here we go, we have 3 of them. And now I'm going to add a normal pearl. And then I'm using this big black bead I had in my old kit. So I'm using this big bead. And now all I'm going to do is do the same thing on the other side. So I'm taking this black crystal and then I'm adding them in. Then I'm going to take white pearl. I'm going to take some more out. Now I'm going to add white, then a pearl, then black, then a pearl, then white, and a pearl. So we have white, black, white, black, and white. Okay. So I'm taking one more black, one last pearl, and one more white. Now I'm going to use 3 pearls. All 3 of these are stick together, so I just add these 3. Then I'm going to add these black, then a normal pearl, then black, and a pearl. So here, this is how the bracelet looks. Now, for closing it, I'm going to use this again, and I'm going to add this. Now you have to be very close to this while you're tying. So like I'm going to do a double tie. Then I'll try to take the tie as close as to this as I can. So it's close enough. It can never be like stick to this, but you have to be just as close as you can. And here I've closed it, and now I'm going to be cutting it like this. And now I'm going to take a hook and make a chain. So here I have a hook, a jump ring, and a chain I made from jump rings. So now I'm going to open this, and now I'm going to take it and add it into the holes. I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to take the other half. I'm going to open this jump ring. I'm going to add it inside of this, and then I'm going to add the hook and close it. And here we have our beautiful bracelet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also comment me if you would like to buy this. I specially made this for adults. If you would like to buy this, you can DM me on Instagram, find me on Facebook, and that's it.